Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. In the last class, I explained the lesson and given notes for you. Lesson number 3, that is plants of backyard. Okay, children. I think you have written in the classwork. You have completed the classwork. So open your classwork. Lesson number 3. I'll read once. So listen carefully and you must read at home. Understood, children? Lesson number 3, plants of backyard. So first main is odd words. So I'll read the spellings for odd words. First one, creepers. CREEPERS, creepers. Second one, pumpkin. PUMPKIN, pumpkin. Third, flowers. FLOWERS, flowers. Fourth, branches. BRANCHES, branches. Fifth, climbers. CLIMBERS, climbers. Sixth, support. SUPPORT, support. Seventh, different. DIFFERENT, different. Eighth one, coconut. COCONUT, coconut. Ninth, roofs. ROOFS, roofs. Tenth, jasmine. JASMINE, jasmine. 11th, branches. BRANCHES, branches. 12th, LEAVES, leaves. So these are all odd words in the first main. So second main, fill in the blanks. First one, small plants are called dash. So in the dash, what you have written, children? Written herbs. Spelling is HERBS, herbs. So small plants are called herbs. Second one, the shape and sizes of the plants are, answer is different. DIFFERENT, different. The shape and sizes of the plants are different. Third one, dash need support to grow. So in the dash, answer is creepers. CREEPERS, creepers. So creepers need support to grow. Fourth one, the color of sunflower is dash. So answer is yellow. YELLOW, yellow. The color of sunflower is yellow. Fifth one, most of the leaves is dash in color. So leaves, which color it will be? It will be in green color. So answer is green. GREEN, green. So once again I will read that one. Small plants are called herbs. Second one, the shape and sizes of the plants are different. Third one, Creepers need support to grow. Fourth one, the color of sunflower is yellow. Fifth one, most of the leaves is green in color. So this is third main. Write yes or no. Okay children, in the bracket you must write whether it is yes or no. First one, leaves are not green in color. So the leaves which color it will be? It will be in green color, no? So they are given here it is not green color. So it is wrong. So in the bracket here written NO, no. Children, in the bracket no will come. Second one, the size of the plants are same. See children, you have seen the plants now? Whether it is in the same size? No, it is in the different size. So there also in the bracket you must write no. Children, third one, creepers grow on land. So whether it is correct or not? It is correct. So you write in a bracket yes, YESS. Fourth one, lotus is grown in water. You have seen lotus, no children? Lotus means tavare uva. Okay children? So where it will grow? It will grow in water, no? So it is correct. So you must write in the bracket YES, yes. Okay children? Next, fourth main. Match the following. In A side they are given rose, second one leaf, third one pumpkin, fourth one mango, fifth one coconut. So B side they are given green, fruit, tree, flower, plant. So you must match them. So for first one rose is there, so that is a flower. So you must put one line for rose and flower. Second one leaf. So which color it is leaf? So it is green color, no? So for leaf and green you must put arrow mark. So green in the B side, first one. Okay children? Next pumpkin. So pumpkin it is a plant. So for pumpkin and plant you must put one line. It is in the fifth line in B side. Next for mango. So what is a mango? It is a fruit. So in the B side, in the second line it is there. So for mango and fruit you put one line. Next, fifth one coconut. So coconut is a tree. So for tree and coconut you put one line. In the B side it is in the third line. Okay children? So this is match the following. Next, fifth main is answer the following. So it is question and answer. Okay children? Now I read questions plus answer. First one, name the important parts of the plant. You have seen the plant, no children? So many parts will be there. Children? So important parts are, answer is root, branch, trunk, leaf, flowers, fruits, etc. Okay children? Spelling ROOT root, BRANCH branch, TRUNK trunk, LEAF leaf, FLOWE flower, FRUITS fruits, etc. So these are the different parts of a plant. Second one, what is the color of leaves? So what is the color of leaves children? So answer is the color of leaves is green. TH is the COLOUR color, OF of LEAVES leaves, IS is GREN green. The color of leaves is green. Next, third one. What are herbs? So what are herbs, children? In the fill in the blanks also it is there. So answer is small plants are called herbs. You see here and there small plant will be there. So that are called herbs. SMALL small, PLANTS plants, HERBS called HERBS herbs. Small plants are called herbs. Next, fourth one. What are trees? So, what are trees, children? Answer is big and tall plants are called trees. So, you have seen here so many big trees and all will be there, like coconut tree, banyan tree, like that. So, that are all called trees. So, it will be big and it will be very tall. So, BIG big, AND and TALL tall, PLANTS plants, CALLED called TREES trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Next, fifth one. Name any 5 trees. So near your house there will be so many trees. No, children? So in that you must write 5. So answer is coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree, guava tree. So spelling is COCONUT coconut, TRE tree. Second one mango tree, MANGO TRE tree, mango tree. Third one NEEM TRE tree, neem tree. Fourth banyan tree, BANYAN banyan TRE tree, banyan tree. Fifth one guava tree, GUAVA TREE guava tree. So coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree and guava tree. Coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree and guava tree. So these are all trees. Now sixth one. Name any 5 flowers. So you have seen flowers, no children? So many flowers will be there near your house. No children? So in that you must write any 5 flowers. So the 5 flowers are rose, lotus, lily, sunflower, hibiscus. So answer is, spelling is ROSE rose, LOTUS lotus, LILY lily, SUNFLOWER sunflower, HIBISCUS hibiscus. Okay children, rose, lotus, lily, sunflower, hibiscus. So once again read the question answers, listen carefully. Name the important parts of the plant. Root, branch, trunk, leaf, flower, fruits, etc. Second one, what is the color of leaves? The color of leaves is green. What are herbs? Small plants are called herbs. Next, what are trees? Big and tall plants are called trees. Fifth one, name any 5 trees. So coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree, guava tree. Next, sixth one, name any 5 flowers. So rose, lotus, lily, sunflower, hibiscus. So these are all flowers. Children, any doubt, children? Okay, in the next class, I'll ask you question answers, fill in the blanks and all. Children, you must be ready. Children, thank you children.